Well, the question says there were 120 hamburgers and some cheeseburgers at the party. The number of hamburgers was 60% that of cheeseburgers. Alright, 60% is equivalent to 3 over 5, which means to say the number of hamburgers is 3/5 of the number of cheeseburgers. Alright, or rather to say that when we draw the number of hamburgers to be 3 units, alright, and then the number of cheeseburger will be 5 units. Alright, that's what it means. Alright, next, there were some number of ham and cheese burgers eaten. Alright, so we are told that the number of hamburgers, after the children ate an equal number of hamburgers and cheeseburgers, so we draw the model of eaten hamburgers and cheeseburgers to be the same. Alright, then what happened? Then the ratio of hamburgers and cheeseburgers became 3:8. Alright, so ham will have 3 parts left, and then cheeseburgers will have 8 parts left. Alright, now take note that the because the is equal number of hamburger and cheeseburger eaten, therefore the difference at first and the difference in the end will be the same. Correct? Because the number of hamburgers and number of cheeseburger eaten were the same, therefore the difference will be the same. Alright? Because the difference is the same, so we can compare the model, and over here the difference is 8 minus 3 parts, which is 5 parts. Here is equal to difference of 2 units. You can see very obviously. Okay, so 2 units is equal to 5 parts. Therefore the LCM of 2 and 5, which is 10, we're going to cut the unit and block into such that 1 unit is equal to 5 blocks and 1 part into 2 blocks. Instead of cutting a model, because it makes it look messy, we can calculate the units in terms of blocks and parts in terms of blocks and put the information down. So you got to do it yourself, because okay, let's go through very quickly. 3 units is equal to 3 times 5, which is 15 blocks. Okay, over here we have 5 units, therefore it's equal to 25 blocks. Over here we have 3 parts. 1 part is 2, so 3 parts is equal to 6 blocks. Over here we have 8 parts, which part is 2, therefore is equal to 16 blocks. Alright, put down all this information, and next, the total at first is equal to 40 blocks. Where we get it? The total at first, look at the model at first here, we have 15 plus 25, is therefore is equal to 40 blocks. Alright, and in the end, the total in the end, we have 6 blocks here, plus 16 blocks, which is equal to 22 blocks. So how many blocks have been eaten? Okay, we take the total at first minus the total in the end. 40 minus 22, that gives us 18 blocks. This is total blocks of burgers eaten. Okay, so now we have the 5 blocks, find the number we want. Now, the question says that there were 120 hamburgers at the party at first. So looking at the hamburgers, we have 3 units and 15 blocks of them at first, which is equal to 120. So if 15 blocks is 120, therefore you take 120 divided by 15, that gives you 1 block. So 1 block is equal to 8 burgers. Alright. So if 1 block is equal to 8 burgers, the total number of burgers eaten will be 18 times 8. Alright, do that and you will get 144. So the answer is, the total number of hamburgers and cheeseburgers eaten were 144. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.